So, in this lecture, we uh, learn how to create a template from any AMI image. Okay. So, first of all, in last lecture, uh, I created the image, okay, of my instance. So, this is a image. Okay. So, how to create an instance? So, basically, the most of the people prefer the is genuine method of creating the instance is take some much more time. Instead of we want to relaunch the instance with the help of template. Okay, so template get less time as compared to the traditional method of launching instance. Okay, so this is a mainly purpose. Okay, so first of all we need to learn how to create a template. So go to the instance section, and this is my running instance. Okay, so we need to create a template. Okay now, so first of all go to this action and image and template and create template from instance. Okay, just click on this and give the template name. My template name is what thing, static temp. Okay, this is, and template description I mentioned project one. Okay, and no auto scaling guidance. Okay now, if you want to the proper naming, so you need to add the tag. Okay, so here I'm not going to add any template tags. And application in this section is important, application and OS. Okay, so you also, if you want to create a template of any particular official image, then you create this, but I'm going to create a template from my AMI image that is creating last lecture. Okay, visit this section. Okay, and this show your available your AMI. So this is my AMI. I select this. This is AMI ID. Okay, so I select this. Basically, I selected. Okay, this is only one, and okay, and T2 micro fit here, hypergotski, and all these things are already selected. Okay, project one thing. Well, you need to create and launch template. Simple phase. Takes I think less than 10 seconds to create. Okay, minimum 10 seconds. Create and launch template. So when you click, this is okay. Success. Static template is now ready. Okay. Now this is a template ID. Okay. Launch template name default version 1 honor. This is okay. Description project. Okay. Keep here got a T2 micro instance type security group storage. आप लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे EBS का है, और ये GP2 मैंने यूज किया है क्योंकि ये ज्यादा लो कॉस्ट पड़ता है, फिर अगर ज्यादा यूज तो वो कॉस्ट आ सकता है. ओके, and this is a description. This tag I add some project one tag. So this is a tag network interface subnet advanced detail, and this is all about things. Okay, so in this lecture we learn how to create a template from AMI image. Okay, so that's all in this lecture, and thank you.